This this video is about structure activity relationship of cholinergics, and it is simply called as muscarinic acetylcholine receptor, and now we shall see only the agonist part. This is the acetylcholine receptor packet. So here I have shown the acetylcholine. This is acetylcholine. This you can see, and it is bound to aspartamine, tryptophan and aspartic acid and another hydrophobic packet. So how many hydrophobic packet is there? 3 hydrophobic packets: aspartamine, aspartic acid and 3 packets. So this is the binding, wherein this is hydrogen bond and again this is hydrogen bond. This is the hydrogen bond formation with acid of aspartic acid and ionic bond, and this is the hydrogenic bond. Why the name has been given as muscarinic receptor? Because this is the muscarine obtained from natural sources, natural plants, and it is having the structure like this. So O, C, O, CH2, CH2 and Me3. So these are the 5 points which is having similarity to acetylcholine, and the distance between the oxygen and nitrogen is 4.4 angstrom in the case of muscarinic receptor. So these are the points you have to remember for your agonist action of acetylcholine. So this is the structure of acetylcholine in salt form, chloride, and L plus muscarine chloride in the salt form. And we have another one new muscarinic agonists like beta methylcholine. This is the hypothetical structure of the muscarinic receptor, what we have seen in the earlier part of the video. This is the aspartic acid which is having binding with cationic nitrogen, and this acyl ester site is binding with hydrogen bond with the tryptophan, we have seen in the previous part of the video. To understand the modification of acetylcholine which is present inside the body and convert them into new drug molecule, then the acetylcholine is divided into 3 parts. One is quaternary ammonium compound, and one is ethylene group and acyloxy group. So this is called ester group, and this is ethylene group, and this is amine group. So this is the 3 areas that we have to concentrate for understanding the muscarinic structure activity relationship. Now acetylcholine, which you have seen in the image format, I have drawn by hand, and here you can see the ester site. So it is O, CO, and it is CH3 group. O, CO, CH3 group is there, and this is the ethylene bridge. One CH2 is here, one CH2 is here, and that is ethyl group, and this is amine moiety, or otherwise quaternary amine, and it is having plus group, that is positive side, because nitrogen is having 3 substitution plus 1 link with the carbon. So this is the acetylcholine which I have drawn in the hand. Now first we talk about the ammonium ion. Now first we talk about the ammonium ion. So whatever it is discussed in this part is about this ammonium ion. So when the positive site is very important. See this, the positive site is important, and if the nitrogen is changed into phosphorus, sulfur, arsenic or selenium, then they are less active. So we need nitrogen only. And there are three alkyl groups, methyl groups. If the size of the methyl group is increased or then decreased activity. If the size of the alkyl group is increased, then decreased agonist activity and they become antagonist. So that's what ethyl group or propyl group is substituted in the presence of methyl group in the nitrogen, then less active than acetylcholine. It must be tertiary amine only to have greater activity. If it is primary, then the activity decreases. If it is primary, then activity decreases. The second point is the number of atoms between this oxygen and this nitrogen. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth one. So the number of atoms is 5 atoms between O and N. So that is, it is mentioned here, that is increasing the chain length beyond 5 atoms is decreasing the muscarinic receptor cannot accommodate and the activity is lost. And the activity is lost because the muscarinic acetylcholine receptor cannot accommodate more than 5 atoms, more than 5 atoms. So if the groups are longer than 5, then they show antagonistic activity, and we have two CH2 groups here, and if it is, one is called alpha, another one is called beta, and if there is a beta substitution with methyl group, then it is giving more muscarinic activity. The alpha substitution gives more nicotinic activity. So that is mentioned here. So beta substitution gives more muscarinic activity, alpha substitution gives more nicotinic activity. So where is that beta and alpha? That is in the ethylene bridge. That is in the ethylene bridge, it is there. Now the S isomer is having equivalent of acetylcholine activity, and R isomer is having less activity than acetylcholine. The how much times? 20 times less active than acetylcholine. And the importance of giving acetylcholine substituted by beta position with S isomer and R isomer is this one. S isomer is not metabolized, whereas R isomer is inhibitor of acetylcholine enzyme. So in other words, S isomer is slowly metabolized and R isomer is inhibitor of the enzyme. That leads to increased activity for this beta methylcholine, and racemic mixture is important. Now the third point, if acyloxy group is replaced, that is O, CO, CH3 ester group is replaced with higher acetates like propanovate, then butanovate or any other heterocyclic atom, then the activity is lost. activity is lost and it produces antagonistic activity. So, if any molecule other than this COCH3 group, OCOCH3 group is replaced, then the antagonistic activity is produced. It is given here that carbamic acid is replaced for ester, then it is a potent agonist. And if it is because carbamic acid is stable than acyclo group, and it is S isomer is having greater binding and no nicotinic activity, and for carbamate, so it is 2s 3r 5s, 2s 3r 5s. So, what is this 2s 3r 5s? At the second atom the substitution must be S. At the third atom the substitution must be R. At the fifth position the substitution must be S isomer. That leads to a good activity for agonist action, and that is because of carbamic acid ester. So, we shall see where are those substitution in 2, 3 and 5. So, this is 2, 3 and 5. Actually, this is 5, fifth position, and this is second position, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, this is third position and this is second position, 2s 3r 5. So, this is the stereochemical part we have to take into the condition. So, this is 2s 3r 5s amino acid, and that is important for stereochemical aspects. Now, coming to the onium part. Onium means this onium. So, this is ammonium. It cannot be replaced with any other compound, and that is having binding with aspartic acid in the receptor, and it must be present in the trimethyl group. If it is changed to phosphorus, sulfur, arsenic, or increase the size of the R group, then activity decreases. So, also the ester group at the last OCOCH3 binds with threonine and aspartame through hydrogen bond. So, if there is any change in this group, then activity decreases, and for maximum activity it must be only methyl group, and also 5 carbon distance is needed. So, we have this alpha substitution in choline decreases the activity. Chain length must be 5, and increase of the chain length decreases the activity, and the nicotine activity increases if substitution on the beta. That is, beta is for muscarinic receptor and alpha substitution is for nicotinic receptor. So, that is mentioned here, and because hydrolysis by acetylcholinesterase for beta is half time, whereas alpha is 0.9. So, with this picture we can summarize 3 points. So, it must be 5 carbon distance and 2s 3r 5s stereoisomer, then methyl group is present in this nitrogen compound, not bigger than that. If it is bigger, it will not get accommodated, and this ester has to be COCH3 only. If it is bigger than that, then it is going to give lesser activity. If it is going to be lesser activity. So, these are the 4 points you have to consider. You have to discuss about ester site, ethyl site and ammonium site. Beta substitution gives nicotinic activity, less nicotinic activity. Alpha substitution gives nicotinic activity. Alpha is for more nicotinic, beta is for more muscarinic activity. So, these points you have to remember, and it cannot be more than 2. More than 2, no. 3 is no. 2 is okay, 3 substitution is not okay. So, with this you can write down the